All right, now that you finished your work with passing and amendment, let's move on to our phonics work for the day. Okay, you'll need your My Words study book. And then we're focusing in on page 20. So if you could find page 20 in your book, right? And again, today we're going to be focused on building automaticity. We'll start with underlining the vowel R syllables in each word. All right, I know that we've been working on syllables in some of our small group work. Okay, but remember, clapping out a syllable, okay, it's a great way to see how many syllables are in a word. Okay, and every syllable has to have at least one vowel in it. So that's another way to help you or to guide your thinking. But we're going to go ahead and circle any syllables that have a vowel R. All right, I want to give you a couple of examples here. I notice the first word on your list is shark. Now, shark is one syllable. Okay, I clap once. I also know it's one syllable because it has one vowel in it. And you notice the vowel A is followed with the letter R. So you can go ahead and circle shark as one of your vowel R syllables. All right, let's move down to the second half of the list, or below the gray line. Okay, and the first word is thirsty. Thirsty. Okay, so I hear thir and I hear sti. Okay, so there's two syllables in that word. Thir has the vowel I, and sti has that tricky vowel Y. Okay, remember Y can be a consonant or a vowel. All right, so thir has a vowel followed by the letter R. So that first syllable of thir is a vowel R syllable. So you can circle that one. All right, so we already found two. See if you can find a few more. Try for 5 more. That would be a great way to get yourself started and focusing in on those vowel R syllables. Right? You'll read through this list. You will practice reading the words on your own. And when you're ready, you'll have someone time you reading this list. All right, I know this is a process that we've done before. If you would like to stay, I'm going to read the words, okay, on the bottom half of the list aloud so you can hear them one time. If you don't want to hear them, you feel free to turn off the video and continue on with your work. All right, again, I'm below the gray line, and I'm going to start with thirsty and move down, and then I'll move to the next column and go down until I'm all done. Thirsty, suburb, backyard, currently, departed, desert, reservation, dessert, squirting, organization, favorite, enlarge, desert, disturbing, explore, thirsty, favorite, targeted, unconcerned, adverbs. Target, different, dessert, alarms, perform, backyard, currently, disturbance, alarming, exporting, concern, occurrence, reserve, export, inform, suburban, enlarged, difference, occurrence, remarkable, adverb, remark, squirted, organize, important, departed, exploration, performance, information, importance. All right, remember, practice these words a few times before you have someone time you. And if you have time, feel free to do that. Have someone time you more than once. I know on your sheet there's up to 3 times. All right, nice work. Enjoy.